evening. Good evening, children. Good evening, Tanu. Post the message in the group that everyone need to join the class. I forgot to send the link. I forgot to send the link, right? Post the message, they need to join the class immediately. Already 2 minutes over. Tell them to join immediately. Yeah. You are wasting the time, children. In an isosceles triangle, ABC with AB is equal to AC, the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join AO. Show that OB is equal to OC and angle AO bisects angle A. First, consider an isosceles triangle ABC. Consider an isosceles triangle ABC. Given triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Okay, which implies angle B is equal to angle C. Morning we saw it in the morning. We learn it in the morning. Triangle ABC, if AB is equal to AC, then angle B is equal to angle C. The angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now, so what we have to do? The bisector of angle B and the bisector of angle C means OB is the bisector of this angle, angle B. OC is the bisector of angle C. Both are meeting at O. Both are meeting at O. And he is asking join AO. Join AO. And required to prove is OB, OC are bisectors of angle B and angle C. OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and angle C. Okay. Required to prove is, I will name this angle as A, B, B. Because OB is bisector of angle OB is bisector of angle B. So those two angles are equal, A. And OC is the bisector of angle C. So those two angles are equal, PB. So what I have to prove? The first one, OB is equal to OC. First one. Will require to prove. Second one, I will name this angle as angle 1 and this angle as angle 2, and I have to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. No? OA is bisector of angle A, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay na? So given, required to prove. I wrote it. Given, required to prove. What is given? What is given? In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC given. Morning we learned a theorem. If AB is equal to AC, then angle B equal to angle C. We learned it, na? So the next one, we learned it. We learned that theorem. Okay. And what else is given? OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and angle C. OB and OC are bisectors of angle C. That means OB bisects angle B, OC bisects angle C. Bisecting means dividing into two equal angles. Now, and second one, required to prove. What is the first one we have to prove? We need to prove OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. That is one. And second part, OA is bisector of angle A. OA is bisector of angle A. That is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, na? Now, how to prove this? How to prove this? See, first one, we need to prove this. AB is equal to AC given. That implies angle B is equal to angle C. Is that right, children? AB is equal to AC given. That implies angle B is equal to angle C from the theorem that what we have learned in the morning. Okay. Now, what is angle B? It is nothing but 2A. What is angle C? It is nothing but 2B. Now, these two get cancelled. What is remaining? A is equal to B. A is equal to B. Now, so this angle is equal to this angle. Now, consider triangle BOC. In triangle BOC, A is equal to B. Now, you tell me what type of triangle is BOC? What type of triangle is BOC? Two of its angles are equal, right? That angle A and angle B are equal. So what we call that triangle? Yes, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle Purva Saini. Because I am talking about the type of triangle. Not type of criteria I am asking. I am not comparing the congruency criteria. Congruency criteria చెప్పట్లేదు తల్లి. So what type of triangle it is I am asking. Okay, it is an isosceles triangle because two of its angles are equal. Two of its angles are equal. Triangle BOC, therefore triangle BOC is an isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Now, since this angle equal to this angle, the side opposite to angle A is OC. Since A is equal to B, which implies the side opposite to angle A is OC, and the side opposite to OB is OB, they are equal. They are equal. Okay, na? OB is equal to OC. Now, second one means these two sides are equal. BOC is an isosceles triangle while angle A and angle B are equal. So the side opposite to A and the side opposite to B are also equal. So OB equal to OC. The first one is done. Now, second one. OA is the bisector of angle A. That means I have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now, angle 1 is in triangle AOB and angle 2 is in triangle AOC. Are they congruent, children? Angle 1 is in triangle AOB. Angle 2 is in triangle AOC. Are those two triangles are congruent? AOB, can I say AOB congruent to AOC? If yes, what criteria? If yes, what criteria? And what are the parts that are equal? A से wrong Harika? A से wrong. No. You can say yes, na? Yes. AB is equal to AC, OB is equal to OC, angle A is equal to angle B. Yes. AB is equal to AC given. OB is equal to OC. Now only we proved it, na? Angle A is equal to angle B. That is also we proved. SAS. So SAS congruency criteria, triangle AOB congruent to AOC. So CPCT angle 1 is equal to angle 2. CPCT angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That's all. AB is equal to AC, OB is equal to OC, and angle A is equal to angle B by SAS congruency criteria. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This angle also equal. Angle AOB equal to angle AOC and AO common side by CP CT. By CP CT. And what we have to prove? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That is done. Okay, na? So how many are joined? 15 are joined. Actually, I told you in the class. Did you inform to your friends? Did you inform to your friends, children, to join today? Because total 28 na, 13 people are not there. How can I continue with the triangles? Still more, seven problems are there. Next question. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Show the triangle AB is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Given triangle ABC, and AD is perpendicular bisector of BC, that is angle ADB is 90 and BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. That is given. Okay. Required to prove AB is equal to AC. Required to prove AB is equal to AC. Children, try to understand the problem. Triangle ABC, what is given? AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. What do you mean by that? Angle ADB and angle ADC 90 degrees. Not only that, BD is equal to DC. That is the meaning of it. Is that understood? Perpendicular bisector means AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Meaning of it is angle ADB or ADC 90 degrees and it bisects, that perpendicular AD bisects BC. BD is equal to DC. So that is given. And what is required to prove? AB is equal to AC. Now, how to do it? Any idea? How to do this? How to prove AB is equal to AC? CPCT maybe? What CPCT? What CPCT, right? Now, okay, I told you that we need to prove AB is equal to AC. That means if we prove triangle ABD and triangle ACD are congruent, then by CPCT AB is equal to AC, because AB is in triangle ABD and AC is in triangle ACD. Somewhat if we prove those two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT AB is equal to AC. Okay, na? So that is, in order to prove this, it is enough to prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle AC. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle AC. Okay, na? How to prove it? What criteria? What are the parts equal? First, what are the parts equal? Then what is the criteria? Then what is the symbolic form? Then CPC. 4 steps. First, proof. Yeah, BD is equal to DC. Nice. Given. BD is equal to DC given. Right. Next. AB is equal to AC. We have to prove. Very good, Ankit. AD common side. AD common side. Sanat, we have to prove AB equal to AC. You cannot take it. Yes, AD common side, right. What else? Third part is needed, na? Third part. Angle 1 and angle 2 are. What is angle 1? Angle ADB, this one, and angle ADC, this one. Both are equal to 90 degrees. That is what you have to say. Angle B, angle C, no, you cannot take it. It is not given. But angle B, angle C, eppadu avutundi ga isosceles triangle aithe avutundi. Angle B equal to angle C if AB is AC. If AB is AC is equal to AC, then only angle B equal to angle C. It is not given that they are equal. We need to prove AB equal to AC. If AB equal to AC, then angle B equal to angle C. How can you take it? Now that I didn't understand this angle 1 and angle 2 concept. What is angle 1 and what is angle 2? Everyone is saying that one. Angle 1, angle 2. What is angle 1? Did I name any angle as 1? Did I name any angle as 1 there? Then how can you say angle 1 is equal to angle 2? Otherwise, you tell me which is angle 1 and which is angle 2. You tell me which is angle 1 and which is angle 2. Which is angle 1 and which is angle 2? one, this angle. So how to read this angle? How to read this angle? ADB. And this angle, ADC. They are equal to 90. Okay, na? Now, by SAS congruency condition, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Okay? Now, angle B is equal to angle C, AB is equal to AC, and this one I am naming angle 1, angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CP, by CP, CP. Okay, na? Now, this is what I want to prove, which is already there here, CP, CP. Over. The problem done. Okay, na? Okay. So that's all for today. We'll discuss remaining problems in the class tomorrow. You can leave now. You can take the attendance. You can leave now. Dhanyavad. Mahaganaadhipataye. Click on the like button. Fourteen people are there, at least 10 likes. Click on the like button.